Hi, Tim Skell here, ABB HVAC Application Engineering. Today we're going to take a look at starting up an ACH580 with a fan array application. This particular fan array application operates at 72 hertz maximum speed, and they want to use a 0 to 10 volt signal to control that 0 to 72 hertz. So how do you do that scaling? What I'm going to do is come into here and hit menu, and go into the primary settings, go into my HVAC quick setup, and I'm going to take a look at the second and third options. So the second option is where am I getting my speed or frequency reference from in the first place? Factory default is analog input 1, and yes, that's where I got my 0 to 10 volt landed. So what I really want to take a look at now is my analog input 1 scaling. So I'm going to go in and look at my scaling. Factory default, 0 to 10 volts equals 0 to 60 hertz. So I'm happy about my 0 to 10, but I need to change this to be 0 to 72 hertz. So I'm going to do is come up here, hit edit, fly over here, bump this up to 72 hertz. And there you go. Now you probably think I'm done. 0 to 10 volts equals 0 to 72 hertz. Well, I'm half done. So what I just took care of right there is the scaling from the automation system to the drive to make sure the drive knew what it was supposed to do based on the analog signal coming in. However, drives also have limits in them. So a typical factory default on a drive is going to be 60 hertz limit here in the US. So I'm going to come down to here, and you see this maximum frequency 60 hertz. So now I need to change that limit on my maximum frequency to also be 72 hertz. So I've changed my analog scaling, I've changed the limit on the drive, and there you go. This drive will now give you 0 to 72 hertz when you have a 0 to 10 volt input. Thank you.